Sorry about the last part, guys. I couldn't find my tape, so I had to end the video to find it, and I found it was actually underneath the measuring tape, which is kind of embarrassing. I am blind as a bat. Heh, anything about it. So let me just get some electrical tape right here. Right. Put this underneath here. Wrap this around it. The other one over it. Secure connection. And there. Complete new battery box, and there's where it's sealed. Perfect. Lovely. Now to now just pull this down. Pop it down. Let me see. I just gotta see. Okay, so pretty much I would have to sew it up from here. Let me just put the batteries back in. So this is great. $1.59 for a toy. It's actually a lot better than paying the full price, which was $4. I mean, $4 for one of these without it. Just no. Not putting the screw in yet. Switch it on. Oh wow, it actually fits quite nicely. Yeah, cables getting stuck. There we go. And now for the final product. So yeah, that was my repair video on fixing up, not sure what these are called though, but yeah, still neat though. So yeah, that was my find and repair video today from Goodwill. Thank you for watching, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, $5 or trade for any other item you guys have for it. So yeah, see ya.